Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 70 Chevy Suburban 4-wheel drive 6-inch lift kit. So she's got a mean look to her. Had a repaint on it. I'd call it driver quality repaint. Looks pretty good, but you know, not show quality. So decent paint for what you're going to probably do with this rig. We just put a new Reman 350 in it. See, got a little scratch right there. See, the seat's been done a while, and then there's a third seat in the back. No headliner. 4-speed, decent truck. Doors shut nice. Tires are probably aged, so you're probably going to want to put some new tires on it. So then you go with 35s, or maybe you want to go bigger. Maybe you want to go smaller, but it's going to need some tread just because they're old and weather checked. There's your rear seat. So you don't see a lot of these Suburbans. They're 3 doors. If you notice on that side it didn't have a door, and this side it does. So they were all made that way. But body's in pretty good shape. Like I said, got a decent shine to it. Nice driver quality truck. Starting up our 70 Suburban. Just put a new engine in it. The indicator didn't work on that side. We can see the blinkers work, the gauge works. Over there, oil pressure, fuel. No horn, typical aftermarket steering wheels. Nobody makes the horn work. Radio makes some static, but I don't think it'll pick up a station. So, and blower works. Check the lights out. Runs nice now. We had, when we bought it, had bad cylinders, low compression. Now it runs like a watch. We put high-end Excel spark plug wires because of the headers. Most people still want to put cheap ones on there and them non-ceramic boots that'll burn off. But $150, but that's doing it the right way. There's your tail lights. So, got a lift kit, oversized tires. Probably are a little aged there. I'll be right up front with you there. But runs and drives good. We're out driving